Hey everybody, welcome back to Zagnal Farms. I'm in the chicken pen here. We're gonna clean out their little house thing, which is in front of me. They roost up above it, and all their manure falls down in it. So we're gonna be cleaning that out, because they like to sleep up on that one, and most of them sleep up there, and it all falls down in here. I already have some collected from about like 2 months ago. So we'll get that out and then we'll throw it in the compost pile. But putting it in the compost pile will probably be a separate video. Alright, I got the bucket here and the shovel, and we're gonna clean out the little cuddy here. It's a little bit more moist than I like to clean it out, but having it moist also makes it easier to clean out. It's really like stuck in here, like glue. On this side. It doesn't take very long to do this, but it needs to be done. Alright, there's all the manure. Fill up that bucket. Now that's clean. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you later.